Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you how to create this type of button animation using pure HTML and CSS only. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with programming videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all you can see that I have my index.html file and the style.css. Inside the index.html we have to create the basic structure of HTML, and then I will link the style.css with our HTML code, and then inside the body element I will type here a, give a class like btn, and inside this element I will type a text like click me, and then inside this element we have to create a span element, and inside this we have to paste an icon. To use icon to your website I will use Font Awesome. To add the Font Awesome CDN, just search in the Google Font Awesome CDN, open the first website, click on this link, copy link tag and paste this here, not here but inside your head section. Next type I class fa arrow right. By writing this class you will get this Font Awesome icon, and you can see that click me text here. Next open the style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0 and box sizing border box. Next copy this body element and paste this element here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center and minimum height 100 vh. These four properties will put our button exactly at the center position of our screen. Next background color, this color code. Next copy this btn class and paste this class here and type position relative, width 200 pixel, height 60 pixel, font size 1.3 em, background color, this color code. Next we have to make our this text at the center position. To do this just simply type display flex, align item center and justify content center, padding left 40 pixel and border radius 60 pixel, text decoration none, and color, copy this color code and paste here and change this opacity from 0.1 to 0.5. Next transition 0.5 second is in and out. Border top, again copy this color code and paste here and change this from 0.5 to 0.35, and here I will type 1 pixel solid. Next copy this and paste this here and type border left. So you can see that these two properties have made this type of light effect over our button. Next copy your button class and paste this class here and type hover, padding left 0, padding right 40 pixel and color, copy this color code, paste this color code here and I will remove this 0 point. So you can see the hover animation. Now currently our hover effect will look like this. Next again we have to copy this btn class and paste this class here, and from index.html copy this span element and paste this element here and then type width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel, background color, this color code, border radius 50%, position absolute, left 5 pixel. Next we have to make this arrow at the center position. So I will type here display flex, justify content center and align item center. Next from index.html I will copy this fa arrow right class and paste this class here with a dot, and I will type here color. I will copy this color code and paste this color code here. So I have typed here 0.9. Next we want, then when user will hover over this button, we want this circular shape at the right side. To do this I will create a keyframe for our animation. To create the keyframe I will type here at the rate of keyframes, our animation name, the starting point of our animation like left 5 pixel, and the ending point of our animation like left calculate 100% minus 55 pixel. The reason why I have typed here 55 pixel because its width is 50 pixel and I want a 5 pixel margin from right side. That's why the total will be 55 pixel. So next we have to copy this btn hover class and paste this class here and then type here span, type here animation, your animation name, duration, ease in out and forwards. By using forwards the element will maintain its current state. So friends, you can see that we have done with our code. Let me zoom in. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about web designing, you can visit our YouTube channel. I have uploaded other videos about web designing, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. And finally, thanks for watching.